chance to tap into that raw emotion.
I've been doing this for close to 20 years. I know genius, monster singers when I see them that are going to have long careers. You are one of them ones.
Bears couple of dogs.
Across the show tonight and singing just
Like he
Give Me a
said.
Reason. Here is Michelle Chimuela.